When it comes to creating complex 3D models, designers and engineers often find themselves at a crossroads, torn between two industry-leading tools, Shapr3D and Fusion 360. Shapr3D's sleek, intuitive interface and robust set of features have made it a favorite among mobile designers, while Fusion 360's comprehensive suite of capabilities and seamless integration with other Autodesk tools has secured its place as a top choice among professionals. Both apps offer a free plan, with Shapr3D's plan limited to 10 hours of cloud rendering per month, and Fusion 360's plan restricted to personal, non-commercial use. Paid plans for Shapr3D start at $25 per month, offering 100 hours of cloud rendering, while Fusion 360's paid plans begin at $40 per month for individuals, scaling up to $120 per month for businesses. Despite their similarities, the two tools have distinct strengths. Shapr3D excels in its ease of use and mobile compatibility, making it ideal for designers on the go, while Fusion 360 boasts a wider range of advanced features and tools, making it the better choice for complex, high-stakes projects. Ultimately, the decision between Shapr3D and Fusion 360 will come down to your specific needs and workflow. But with the right tool, you can unlock new levels of creativity and precision in your designs.